Hello.
Hi.
Anyway, we've got a plan here. It's called, we're going to be making Marmite, or brewer's yeast extract, out of cider yeast. And that might give it a neat, fruity, kind of tropical flavor. What we've got going here is, we have a homemade project. We haven't tried it yet, because it's still going.
This is the second step of it.
Yeah, P.O.G Champ Cider.
It's totally poggers, bro.
Yes, I hate everything about that. Okay. P.O.G as in Passionfruit Orange Juice, Guava Juice, and then 4.5 gallons of traditional semi-pasteurized good apple juice or apple cider.
That's the cider part.
Yeah.
Not part of the P.O.G.
A pound of sugar. A pound of sugar and some cider yeast. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and we're going to cook this down. Yeah. Look at that little bit of sediment down there. Until we get something resembling a kind of like Marmite extract. No idea what it's going to taste like. And I can't find any sources on this on the internet. I can't find anyone who's making sweet wine or anything like cider into a brewer's yeast extract. Oh, this could be a whole new thing, a whole new world of possibilities. And me and Paige over here, say hi, Paige.
Hi.
We do a lot of brewing, so this could be, it's free real estate. All right, I'll update you based on what actually happens here.
Good, bad, or otherwise.
Mm-hmm. Hello, people. Okay, I would like to update you with what we've discovered here. Hi, Paige. Anyway, it turns out that this boils over very easily. Here's where it used to be. I'm not sure how well that's being captured, but
yeah, there's like a bunch of residue boil over, and you could see it on the pan over here. And this wasn't at high heat, it was like at a 6.
Yeah, it was at medium.
It was at medium.
And
so
we're waiting for it to do something, but yeah, it turns out, alcohol-based yeast things expand a lot. So,
quite a bit.
Keep that in mind. Don't make the same mistake we did, because it looked like a giant kid's volcano from a science fair project went off on our frickin' thing.
We would have won gold. We would have won gold.
Sure. Anyway, updating that. Plus side, this smells very good. Very unusual, but very good.
I'm gonna give it some time, but it's strong. It's definitely strong.
Yep.
It smells like burning fruit.
I like burning fruit, so there you go.
There you go.
There you go. Alright. Okay, so part 3 of the experiment. I actually have collected some Marmite. Yeah, take a look at that. It doesn't look incredibly appetizing. It's just kind of stuff I scraped off the bottom of the pan. It smells very odd. I mean, it's the burnt fruit taken up to the extreme. It is different. I tried some. It tasted like a combination between... I just tried it raw, like not on any kind of toast or anything like that. But I can't figure out... It tasted like some kind of failed taffy experiment, is I think the best way I could put it. So I think it'll probably do a lot better as an actual... in a recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and try that. I'm doing... usually pretty vegan, but I'm doing kind of a vegetarian mac and cheese here with Marmite added, which I think might go very well. You know, got that savory sweet thing going on, you know, with like, salsa and mac and cheese, so this might be a complete failure. Anyway, yeah, cider, Marmite is being tested. Alright, review of the Marmite mac and cheese. It's not bad. I mean, that's it. It only has a tiny amount of underflavor, like a little bit of a mushroomy underflavor here. That's about it. I wouldn't. This isn't really a game changer, unfortunately. It's not bad. And it's a good thing to add Marmite to, but it's not the be all end all.